Students, one by one we are explaining or we are learning the structure of atom. One by one means first we have learned the basic, first according to Dalton's at that history, that atom is the main indivisible particle of a matter. Later we discover electron, then proton, then neutron. Then after discovering electron and proton, we have got a proper atomic model. Bohr has given us the proper atomic model. Then we discovered the neutron. Then another structure, proper scientific modern approach, modern structure of atom we have explained, that the atom contains electron outside orbit and proton and neutron in the nucleus, and what is mass number, atomic number, everything we have discussed, and how to calculate neutron. Now students, how the electron will arranged, that we will learn. One by one we are just proceeding. Okay, everything to we have understand, we have explained. But when you know that hydrogen has one proton, but one proton means one electron as well. Similarly, so what will be the distribution of electron in orbit? Suppose we are talking about chlorine. Chlorine has 17 electron, 17 proton as well as electron. As the topic is distribution of electrons, so we will talk about the electron. Number of proton is equal to number of electrons. So here we will talk about the electron. So 17, how this 17 electron will arranged? Means this has given by the scientist Bohr-Bury scheme. Bohr and Bury has given the idea that distribution of electron, which is called as electronic configuration. So what will be the electronic? Students, you know that it will be 2, 8 and 7. So according to the previous idea, previous knowledge, you can arrange them. This is the electronic configuration of chlorine. But how? Once again we will discuss here, and it will clear your concept more properly. Okay, so first rule for the distribution of electron in the cell is the maximum possible number of electron in a particular cell is given by the formula 2n square. Understand? I am explaining. Students, suppose this is the nucleus plus outer there is electron. So the maximum possible number of electron, how much electron will be in this? You know that it is K and it is L cell. In K cell, that how much electron, maximum possible number of electron in a particular cell given by the formula 2n square. It can be denoted, we can understand by the formula 2n square, and n is equal to cell number. So students, cell number for K is equal to 1. So maximum possible electron in K cell will be 2 into 1 square means 2. Here you can see K cell n is equal to 1 means 2 electrons. Similarly for L cell, n is equal to 2 means 2 into 2 square, 8. 2n square means 2 into 2 square. For M cell, 18, and N cell, 32 electrons. Nothing, only this. If you learn this, you can easily do the electronic configuration. Okay, so first cell contain maximum 2 electron, after that 8 electron, after 18, after 32, like this it will go on. But here you can see, so the chlorine, for chlorine 17, first maximum 2 electron will be there in K cell, after that 8 K, L, and after that K, L, M cell, there is only 7 electron is pending. As there is no more electron, only it has 17 electrons, so the rest all electron will be on M. So maximum capacity of M is 18. So you can easily understand how much electron can stay in the particular cell or particular orbit or particular energy level. They are called as, students, energy level according to the Bohr. Okay, so that you can easily understand. Now any element in the periodic table, if with their atomic number has given, means atomic number means their number of electron also same with the atomic number. Okay, you can easily distribute, easily go with its electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means the distribution of electron. Okay, So students, this is the first rule it has gone, but there is some limitation, means something you have to remember, that is in second point I am saying that first electron means cells are filled in stepwise manner. Okay, you read the book, you can easily understand. Then stepwise mean first K cell will fill, after that L, after that M, then N. Not that first you will first start filling L. So in a hierarchically, first lower orbit, then upper orbit, one by one stepwise manner it will fill. And the third formula you can say, or third conclusion by Bohr and Bury is that the outermost cell of an atom cannot accommodate more than 8 electrons. So now you will think that, sir, there is the 18 M cell can accommodate 18 electrons. But here you are saying, let's take an example, suppose calcium 20. So it will be 2, 8, 8, 2. It is not like that 2, 8 and 10. No. Maybe you think that K, L, M orbit to can accept 18 electron. So I can write up to 10 here. But students, it's wrong. The main electronic configuration, the proper electronic configuration is like this. K, L, M, N. K 2, maximum 2, L 8, M, maximum M can contain 18. But here it will take 8. Then the two last electron will go to the N orbit. So why this happens? Why the outermost cell of an atom cannot accommodate 8 electron? Student, that is because of the octet rule. You know that the noble gases, all the noble gases have the octet, 8 electron outside. That's why there is a if the electronic configuration is near about, it has shown the configuration is like that, near about 8, there is a proper extra stability used to got by the atom. That's why first it will be up to 8. So if it will be larger atom, then it can 18, means suppose around 35, means around 50 atomic number. If you check their electronic configuration of 50, 51, 52 atomic number elements, their M cell contain 18 electron. But up to 20 or 30, the cell used to contain around only 8 electron for the stability. For the stability only. Okay. That's why a little bit deviation from here. Due to the stability, the electronic configuration is like this, not like this. So don't do it. Okay. And you must read the book. And for helium, you know the exceptional case. It only contains 2. It is a inert gas, noble gas. Its stability 2. So 2 electron also contains stability. Okay, means the outermost cell of a chemically stable atom can accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons. You know that. Except helium atom, which has only one cell and can accommodate a maximum 2 electron. Okay, helium has only one cell, hydrogen 1 electron, after that helium 2 electron, maximum K cell, only K cell it has, and it is extra, it is stable. So it is a exceptional case, because students, all you know that maximum 8 electron, that causes stability, what I have told. That's why the electronic configuration is like this, not like that. But in case of helium, there is exception. Helium is exception because in 2 electron also helium is stable. That's why in like exceptional case you have to remember the helium. Now students, let's take an example. In your book it is present magnesium 12. Okay, magnesium 12, you can write like this also, or magnesium magnesium 12. So if we make a electronic configuration, it will be, you know, 282 K L M, K cell content 2, L 8. Similarly for potassium 19, you do 2 8 8 1 2 8 10 18 19. Okay, so you can understand K L M N, due to the extra stability here it will be 8. Okay, so I think you can easily understand. And a picture is present in your book. Here you can see all atoms their means number of electron present. Here if I show you, you can see here for the carbon students, carbon 6 electron, here you can see 2 and 4. K cell content 2, the electronic configuration is 2 4. K cell content 2 electron. Electron has here you can see that electron has drawn by the black dot. These dot are the electron. 4 in K, it is K cell. Sorry. So it is K cell, there it is KL, L cell. So this is the carbon representation 612, electronic and valency also it has given students. Similarly, if I show you one another atom, you must watch this page. All the electronic configuration has written properly. Okay, so it will important up to 20 it has drawn. If I show you the 20, what just I have explained, see, center there is 20 proton and 20 neutron, 20 proton and 20 electron arranged outside. In nucleus there is 20 proton. You know that this is atomic number 20, means number of 20 electron is there as well as 20 proton. So 20 proton, where it will stay? It will be in the nucleus. 20 proton, same 20 neutron will be there. Why 20 neutron? You subtract. You can see here 20 neutron. I told you that if you subtract mass number to proton number, you got the neutron. So here it is both are same. So no problem, if both are same, that's why 20 proton, 20 neutron, 20 electron arranged outside like this, 2 8 8 2. So here first 2K, then 8, then outer cell 2, only 2 outer cell. Okay, these are the arrangement of electron, and electron always stay like this pair. So how that I will explain in chemical bonding. So all, and the valency also students, you know, outermost valence electron which causes valency, that I will, you know, in language of chemistry I have explained about the valency. This is the thing. I hope concept clear. And this another also some tables had present in your book. These are very important. Here also you can see students, it has given, I am showing you. See students, suppose lithium symbol Li, suppose hydrogen symbol, number of atomic number 1, mass number 1, and number of neutron 0. Hydrogen there is no neutron, and K cell only 1 electron. There is no M and L, there is nothing, no electron in M and L cell, that's why. Okay, everything has given, and it is a non-metal. Okay, and valency is 1. So this table also very important, you write. If you talk about oxygen, you see O 8, 16 mass number, 8 is the number of neutron. If you subtract, then you got 8. Then 2 and 6, this is the electronic configuration, 2, 6, and 2 its valency. 2 means minus 2, that's why it is a non-metal. Okay, these are metal, it is noble gas, 0 valency, noble gas. Why 0 valency? See 2 8, it is, you see, in case of neon 10 20 10 2 8 8 outermost electron, that's why it is 0 valency. So students, if you watch the table properly, you can easily understand. So must read the book pages with proper time, and it, as you are appearing board exam students, be very 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 serious and read the book again and again. I am saying, I have explained all the things, but you have to learn everything from the book. Thank you very much. God bless you all.